everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to Security Chronicle. As you all know, COVID-19 pandemic has restricted us to move out from our home and we are not going to our respective offices or workstation. Our life has moved towards virtual environment and no one has ever thought that a day will come where people will do things virtually like visiting to a doctor or going to school or colleges, attending meetings and live events, etc. Recently, Security Chronicle has attended IFSEC India Virtual Expo and Conference, which was held on 2nd June 2020 and organized by Informa Markets. We're extremely glad to tell you that IFSEC India Virtual Expo and Conference was very well organized and a successful event. Furthermore, we felt that as if we were attending the event live. So let me brief you about IFSEC. IFSEC International is an annual trade fair and conference for the global security industry. It was launched in London in 1974, hosting British and international security professionals, suppliers and organizations. In India, the first presence of IFSEC International was in 2007. IFSEC India is South Asia's largest security, civil protection and fire safety show. This event is designed to bring together under one roof security experts from various industries including financial services, critical infrastructure, public safety, law enforcement, retail, property and hospitality, all of whom are researching for the latest products and services in the security market. Here are the exhibit partners: Axis Communication, Western Digital, Optex, Globus, Motorola Solutions, HID Global. The timings for Virtual Expo was 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. The session started with an opening remarks
and a very warm welcome to the inaugural ceremony of IFSEC India Virtual Expo 2020 being organized by Informa Markets in India.
Virtual lamp lightings and Ganesh Vandana. And followed by Informa Market Global and India videos. After that, a welcome address by Mr. Yogesh Mudras, Managing Director, Informa Markets.
Also, a very good morning to all dignitaries who have joined us here today for this digital inauguration of our first virtual expo in 2020, the International Fire and Security Exhibition and Conference, India.
IFSEC India video keynote address by Professor Amol Deshmukh, Police and Cyber Advisor, Department of Home, Government of Maharashtra.
And while fighting with this unknown devil, being a professor of forensic science and cyber, I think that we should know the cause of this COVID virus, where this is originated. So this will give us more insight about its nature and what it is all about.
Special address by Padma Shri D.R. Karthikeyan, IPS, ex-director, Central Bureau of Investigation.
Exhibition and conference. Due to COVID-19, businesses across the world are searching for newer and more innovative ways of ensuring business continuity without compromising on the safety of the employees.
Vote of thanks by Mr. Pankaj Jain, Group Director, Security and Safety Portfolio, Informa Markets.
So as I speak, we have more than 1,000 attendees already in the platform at various locations, be it exhibition, be it conference and different areas.
Later, there were 9 sessions on the following topics. The first session was what COVID-19 teaches security leader in crisis management, addressed by Dharmendra Bana, Associate Director, Global Security, PepsiCo India.
Let's look at what a black swan event is. There are 3 primary attributes for this, and I'd like you to connect and understand that an event which is unpredictable, a black swan event results in severe and widespread consequences.
Session 2, Me Signo, the signature line of access control readers from HID. Addressed by Prabhu Raj Patil, Regional Sales Director, PACS, South Asia, HID Global.
First of all, I thank you, IFSEC team, to connect us actually virtually during this hard time, during this pandemic. So thank you very much. And it's innovative times, and innovation is the strength. That's what I can see here.
Session 3, How Technology Can Assist to Defend Against COVID-19. Addressed by Anil Dhawan, MD, DB Secure Solutions and Co-Chair ASSOCHAM, Committee on Homeland Security and Disaster Management.
I don't wish to explain too much. I think we all understand what telemedicine is. Basically, remotely, we are trying to have a connectivity between the two situations, whether it could be one side the treatment aspect and the other the patient side of it.
Session 4, COVID-19, the all-pervasive impact and the way forward panel discussion. Addressed by multiple speakers.
The shops are going to go to supermarkets, so you cannot control anything is what I feel. But in the office where we are responsible, the measures have to be 100%.
Let's quickly, do we want to open it up?
We have some really good questions coming up. So yes, I would like to pass them on to the panel.
Power and to ensure that I have a secured manpower. So migrants are leaving you and moving to their villages. But people like me, people like you, white-collared workers, we are not leaving and going because our companies we are registered with them. We have a social security plan. We have our pays which are all fixed.
Yeah, message for the future is that the technology is going to stay. It was always there. We are now giving more attention to it.
Session 5, Innovating for a Smarter and Safer World. Addressed by Sunindra Bhola, Sales Director, Axis SARC. Session 6, What COVID-19 teaches security leaders in crisis management and ensuring business continuity. Session 7, Western Digital Smart Video Portfolio Presentation. Speakers were Khalid Wani, Director Channel Sales, India, Western Digital. Jagannathan Chillai, Director Marketing, Western Digital, India.
I'm extremely happy to meet you all through this wonderful virtual expo organized by the IFSEC team. Talking about the WD Purple Surveillance Micro SD solution. Okay? If you look at the surveillance cameras today, they have reasonably high resolution, they have higher FPS, their bit rates are fairly high.
Session 8, Threats to Digital Assets in a Virtually Connected World. Panel discussion.
So the concept of perimeter defense, as you know, we used to call it the fort and the moat, is no longer valid. So we need to move to a zero trust model where the network is no longer the fort. Anybody in the network cannot be trusted to be a bona fide user or a device. So it's almost like, while all of us are floating in the cyberspace, we have a bubble around us, which once proves our identity, which connects it to, and the hackers are really, really very, very agile. I mean, it's a question of their survival.
Session 9, Using Artificial Intelligence to Make Security Systems Smarter, Intelligent and Self-Learning. Panel discussion.
Sometimes they are used very ambiguously. So just to sort of set the stage currently, I would request Akshay at the very outset to introduce himself and then to do a bit of demystifying quickly or to decode these terminologies. What is AI/ML? What is IoT? What is blockchain? What is VR, AR, deep learning?
To talk about. So now just talking about some of these terminologies which has been thrown around like AI, ML, deep learning, blockchains, IoT and other stuff. I'll try and keep this as laymanish as possible. So I will use more so that normal people can understand instead of more technology driven. So just to start, I'll start with an AI, ML and deep learning. Those three facets goes hand in hand.
At last, there was a vote of thanks by Sanjeev Rao, project head.
Where we thought we would put up a platform and start a connection. And I'm happy to share, as of now, we have 2,351 unique visitors who have come to the platform to stay connected and engaged. Before I conclude, I would like to thank a few of our dignitaries, Padma Shri, D.R. Karthikeyan, Professor Amol Deshmukh, and many more speakers and panelists, and as Adish mentioned, IISM and MidCat Advisory. And a heartfelt thanks from Sanjeev and the rest of the team from IFSEC. Thank you so much.
I hope you really liked our coverage on IFSEC India Virtual Expo and Conference. We hope and pray this pandemic will get over soon and will be attending physical IFSEC conference in December 2020.